What's up, boys? It's new wheel time. It's new wheel time. I can't hide it any longer. You gotta see these things. Listen, those might be the coolest wheels we've ever had on this channel. And unfortunately, they're not going on my Jeep. No, they're going on Natalie's Jeep. Because Natalie, being that she's cool, being that she's hot, being that she has a cool Jeep that I built, she got sponsored by Dirty Life. That's something you already know. So they sent out these badass Beadlocks. And we had the powder coated, it's kind of like root beer bronze color. I'm not sure how well you guys can see it on camera, but let me tell you, they are nice. So that gets to my next big point. I don't know how many of you have mounted Beadlocks before, but it's not necessarily the most fun thing to do in the world. So I have a strategy for this. This is a pro tip from me to you. What you do is get yourself a cooler. Okay, cooler. You fill it with alcohol, a lot of alcohol. Then you get some balloons, lots of balloons, okay, and a piñata. All right, bear with me here, fellas. Bear with me. You throw a beadlock party. Most of your friends are gonna have no idea what beadlocks are. Okay, they're gonna say a party. There's gonna be food. There's gonna be beer and balloons. I'm there, bro. I am there. And you trick them. You trick them into helping you mount the beadlocks. So that's my strategy. As of right now, no one's shown up. But I'm hoping, unlike high school, that when I throw a party, people show up. So I'm gonna hang here and hopefully my friends will be here. Have a couple drinks, listen to some music. Hopefully my friends will show up and we'll mount some Beadlocks. So we'll see.
What are you doing? Do you need help?
We have our first person to show up. Any minute the rest of them are gonna be here, I swear to God. Any minute, everyone's gonna be here, they're gonna help me. Or I can't do it by myself, so any minute.
Many minutes later.
Well, the good news is, unlike high school, everyone showed up to my party. There's even girls here. And Anthony, and Luna.
And Luna. Luna, get back. Get back.
Big time, no man now. Diamonds in my teeth, I got a lot of shine. Running up the number, that's a lot of crime. Try to take it from me, must be out your mind. Big time, lot of slime. Smoky in the air, that's a lot of pine. Pockets running over with the dollar sign. Try to take it from me.
I'm too strong. What can I say?
Ready?
I think I got it. All right, I think we're good.
bros. It's about midnight. We are done. The party is over. The beads are done. They're good to go. So tomorrow, we're gonna wake up real late, because it's real late now, and we're gonna get these on the Jeep. And it's gonna be a big, big reveal. All right, boys. It's the next day after our long beadlock party. The shop is a little bit of a mess. There's trash and tacos and literally beads everywhere. But we got a lot of work to do. So before we get those beadlocks on, we are going to add a set of power stop brakes. So the old brakes were worn out, so I picked these up, and we're gonna throw those on right now, and then we'll get the wheels on. So let's do this. All right, guys, as you can see, this kit comes with new rotors and new pads. These calipers are still in great shape, so no need to get those. They do offer that as an option, but like I said, these ones are good. So I'm not going to show you guys how to install brakes, because this isn't O'Reilly's YouTube channel, but there's plenty of other YouTube channels where you can figure that out. It's pretty easy. Basically, take the caliper off, take everything apart, clean it, and put the new clips on, new pads on, put the caliper back on, and you're good to go. So, got the rear done pretty much, and we'll do the front. Done. It's the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's get these wheels on. Let's see how this looks. It's gonna look sick. Okay, so my girlfriend just pulled in, so we're gonna go get her, bring her down here, surprise her.
Oh my god! Oh my god, my Jeep is huge! Oh my god! Oh my god, it's a monster! Oh my god, it's so big!
It's so
Look
big.
at it next to me!
It's so big.
Oh my god. Oh, my chest is hurting.
Yeah, it's kind of a big deal. I think she likes it. It's official. My girlfriend has a cooler Jeep than I do, so I have to live with that at this point in time, but what can you do? This thing is, it's a monster, boys. It is a monster. That pretty much wraps it up for this video. The next couple of videos, we got to do the armor. We got to do some armor work. We got to replace that broken fender. And then we got a really fun video coming out where my girlfriend is going to be doing all the work, and I'm going to sit my ass in a chair and watch her. So stay tuned for that. Like I said, subscribe. We're going to do some performance mods. Okay, performance. So it's going to be a race truck Jeep. I'm kidding, it won't be, but it's going to be cool. So stick around, check it out. Catch up with you guys later.